Itoophiyaa jedhaa gadaa jechuu danda'anii wal bira jechuu danda'anii Oromoo wal bira jechuu danda'anii. They ain't got no English version. Let me see if they got English version.
Despite a recent parliamentary election, when Ethiopia's ruling party won 100% of the country's 547 parliament seats.
Election is coming. Ethiopia's election is coming. All right, this is the situation. This is the situation with Ethiopia. 1990. Mengistu runs out of the country, man. From 1990 to 1995, it's just constant slaughter, and everybody's poor and broke. 1995, they have their first election after they finish slaughtering people off. These folks won 471 out of 500. Oh my God. They almost complete the whole thing. Oh my God. They're sent by God, so there is no... Only about 29 devils didn't vote for them, but everybody else, you know, only 29 devils that they didn't win. 2,000 of them in year 2000. In year 2000, it looks like 472 out of 527, so 20 more seats were added. They discovered new places. 2005, Meles Zenawi, 327 out of 527. They look a little bit, you know, real now, you know, real, because it's just too much peace now. There is no threat at the time. But there was some threat in the bigger cities and all of that, but nationwide, no threat. In 2010, 499 out of 547. Wow. That's like, they always win these elections by 90% or plus. In 2015, by 547 of them, you know, there were some devils that they didn't see. Yeah. So you can see the election, you know, it's almost 90%. 90, they were all 90 plus, except the year 2005. So they always win this election by 90%. Think about it, if Trump won by 90%, woo, America would turn upside down. These crazy liberals, you know, they're the number one crook, maybe. I don't think it's Trump that is crook. For 2 years, they can't find anything on my president. Well, folks, Oromo people, are we ready? Oromo Kopofne? Let me ask Oromo people if they're ready. Let me just give them a little bit of water, my people, for 1 minute. Oromo, okay. Election akkana yoo fakkaate. You can see it appear for you. Election akkana yoo fakkaate. Oromoot, Kopofne jirra. Jirma mafaan Oromoo dorgatteetiin bakka nu dhiitaatiin achitti illee nu galchaatiin mangisti kan raallee asillee nu darbaatiin. Are you ready to vote? Hararge, you ready to vote? Arsi, you ready to vote? Borana, you ready to vote? Shawan Walaga ready to vote? Maybe Walaga is ready to vote. No. Betani mitire agasmara Oromoni bakkashi mannati to kanan kabani. You know, do fujirti ver the view waldate do fujirti kanaf Oromot. Filano kanaf kopoftani kabara do levar kanu bakata. So ento ko pa filano do fu. Mama tu fatamne amna so deibin Oromo to kochin deibin. Filano kan at fuftani debi to sini debi after filano mo Oromo hidu shafat to debe because يوفن كان مواتن وقاشني تشوفان كابوتا عصبني كان أنجر وقاشني دفوف كان فورمو كوبوفتني فلانو كوباي كان كوباي نسين كوبوفني هيما جيرام تيرا كانت هيما جيرام تيرا غلطو كادا تشاركو غودا إلكشن إثيوبيا Oromoon adreessittiin vootii gootuun qabdu guddin baay'een Oromoo namni vootii godhu adreessittiin vootii godhuun qabu. The EPDRF, the same people, just like you can see it on here, the same people, the EPDRF will continue to switch seats, shuffle the seats up. Shuffle political seats among EPDRF, and EPDRF will continue to rule Oromo. That's what electioning kun kana fiduuf deemu. Kanaafuu electionii kanaaf qophoofne Oromoota fundraising ina kasin fin namni election kanallee garuu namni wiini godhe waan hojjejiruuf deemaa jiru injiru election Ethiopia jedha gadaa jechuu danda'ani ree walbira jechuu danda'ani Oromo walbira jechuu danda'ani hindandan kanaafu like godhuu keessanii fi galatooma subscribe godhuu keessaniifis galatooma warreen godhin please godhaa akka Oromo Republicanin keessan jabaate asirratti yaada sin qabdan mara isinii dabarsu namni yaada qabu martunu jala kanatti lee barreessitanii inbox lee naa gootanii karama feetaniin yaada feetan na waliin mari'attanii haadalannu waan Oromoodhaan nu barbaachisu gara siyaasaatiin gara diinagdeetiin gara qabeenya maraatiin iyyuu haadalannu yaada feetan this is information sharing ka jedhan kan information walii dabarsinee disseminate goona malee achi deemee aataa ka mootummaati qawweenu tokkos naan jedhina ka an mootummaa miti an media independent dha kamallaq asnirra donationin karatin wanni takattin asin karat like share subscribe bicha godho kanaan ol wanni bira wanni takka ka gootan hinjiru kas nu republicani kiisi nama keessa seeneetiin kiisi nama nan jalala sobaatiin galatooma nagaan peace